Testing. 1, 2. So, it's been about a day or two, and I finally transferred all the loot from my car to the house, and I also took care of the bodies that were stinking up the place. I need to grab my rocks. These are very special rocks. They're my kidney stones. And by kidney stones, I mean the rocks I found on the side of the road at the very start of the game. It took a hot minute to get them, but I don't have very much time to make a video, but I wanted to take this opportunity and go into town. Now, the helicopter event can happen anytime now. It's already day 6 going on day 7, and who's to say what will happen while I go to town. You know, in all honesties, I'd be more than happy for the event to happen. I got more than enough supplies in my vehicle to make sure that if it does happen, I feel pretty safe. I don't feel like I'm in any sort of bind. I'm just waiting to hear. I was gonna make some helicopter noises, but I don't feel comfortable doing that. Maybe I'll get some more gas if I don't see any zombies. They're over there. I think it's on my driver's side. Yay, I did it. Alright, got a little bit more fuel. What is that? Garbage bag? I haven't found a generator yet, but that could change after what I'm about to do. So, I'm going to the storage facility. Oh wow, there's a good amount. Storage facility is right up ahead. I'm not too worried. A lot of zombies nearby. Yep, here it is. Almost past it. Now, I've never been here yet, so there might be some dubious little creatures that want to say hi. I could use that as a garage for my cars. I don't think I need to take care of them right now. I got some food for in case I get hungry. I might need to find some more food later for in case I might have a situation. Now, I was actually thinking about turning this into my player home for the end game. I don't know what I would use. Maybe I could like throw some animals in here or something. I don't know. Don't break. Shame. Oh well, I'm just gonna break it. Excuse me. No zombies. That's a good sign to see. Where's the light switch? Oh, found it. Yeah, I don't really know what I would turn this building into. Maybe I could just turn it into a private garage or something. I don't know. But what my main plan was to turn the actual place into a player home, the garage themselves, since I have the sledgehammer now. Which I'm really happy to say I haven't had a sledgehammer in a long time and never got it legitly back in the day. I always had mods that always just seemed to give me one whenever I needed one. So I'll take that real quick. Wow, it's heavy. No, no dip. I'm gonna put my stones inside my glove department. Lighten the load a little bit. Yay, I can destroy. And it's one of the new sledgehammers too. One of the like different looking. It's not the red one. So there's a chance that there could be zombies in one of these buildings. That's okay though. You never know when you're going to find something good. I've actually got an antique fireplace from looting one of these places before. Oh wow, a random television. Cool. Why not? Now whenever I'm needing to, I can watch television. Turn that bad boy on. Alright, let's break down some buildings. Alright, can't really get through, but it's fine. I'll just have to move some things. Oh. I just noticed I was in some pine. Ah, another one. I was gonna say, can I not activate it? Alright. Alright, first storage container found. Really nothing of interest. Oh well. Open and close, open and close. Let's destroy another one. Wonder why I'm agitated. It's really weird. Ooh, some rubber boots. Huh. Make it stop. Alright. Cool, cool. Some premium fishing line. Alright, this is the last one to break down. No zombies, no zombies, no zombies. Okay, maybe it wasn't the last one. Completely empty. Gotta love it. Wow, it's a drum set. It'd be a shame if I would put something fleshy on it. I didn't. Who touched my drum set? Oh. I want to see what's in that corner one. Ooh, a woodcutter axe. That's nice. Hanukkah. Oh, what's this? Well, that's convenient. Glass pane. Alright, well. Oh yeah, there's still one. Oh. Well, wasn't really anything of too interest, but it was cool. I'm just happy there were no zombies. Oh. Barbell. That'll come in handy. Especially during the winter months. It's almost time for me to finish up my carpentry. Aw, Grandma's kitchen. Some jars. I guess I better grab these things. Saxophone. Well, I was really hoping for an antique stove, but I don't think I'm going to get that lucky. But I am in Muldraw, so I'm not too worried about it. I can go to the medical clinic, and I know they have one there for me to take. Well, that's this storage facility. Didn't really give me anything interesting. Now, there is the... Dummy. There is that one over there, but I don't think I'm going to go for it. Man, severe pain. Muscle strain. Muscle strain. Gotta love it. Well. That's fun. Oof. Oh yeah, I am about to get the, I'm about to level up my carpentry. Is what I thought I was going to, but I guess not. Weird. Oh well. I guess I better go grab those 1 books. Yeah, maybe for my late game base I'll turn this into it, but I don't know. It's really hard to make a base, and you have to kind of like decide where you want it before you do it. And I guess I could always put a chicken coop out there since there's some grass. Not much, but still enough for a few chickens. And that would help for the winter months. Where, oh where is my fishing magazine? I guess I can always come back for the fishing stuff since I don't really need it right now. Yeah, why not just take it? And last but not least, the drum set room, which had nothing. Yeah, I kind of wish I had a bigger storage facility. I think this one's kind of small. I mean, it's above average, but still kind of small for what I want. There's always next time, but hey, at least the place has been looted, right? Oh, that did not make me very happy. Oh, that did not make me happy. That scared the living bejesus out of me. What's up, man? How you doing? Want to jump over? Thomas Barrett. Yeah, you just gave me a minor heart attack. Wow. That was the opposite of fun. Anything good in here? You gotta be kidding me. That's funny. Alright, helicopter event. I don't want to deal with this right now. I'm probably just gonna end the video. I know it's only been 13 minutes, but not only am I severely stressed out, I'm also sad, overloaded, and in pain, and hungry, all at the same time, which is kind of funny. But I have a car, and it has a full tank of gas, and I can just drive around and enjoy my peaceful existence. I'm just gonna real quick move out of here. Or just have the vehicle on for whenever I get online. Yeah, I hear the helicopter, that's for sure. I wasn't really expecting the helicopter event at 1:30. Whatever. Thanks for watching me spend the time trying to make my future base. It was fun looting. I wasn't really expecting the helicopter event on the 7th day, but the old phrase is you better be prepared for everything, and I was kind of hoping it was going to be on the 8th day, but it wasn't. So, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out, guys. Okay, I guess it's not gonna end as soon as I click the button. Wait. Hello? Wait. What? Why are you guys still here? Go home. I'm sure this is enough time to skip to another video, or maybe enough time where the stupid YouTube ad doesn't get you. Anyways, don't stop being you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Okie Finoki, signing off.